ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಕಳೆದ 6 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಸಂಘ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಬಿಡೆಯವರು ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಯರು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವಯುತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. LKGಯಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಜೀವನ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಬಾರಿಯೂ 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100% ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ ಮಗು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Jai Shri Ram to you all. I am very eager to introduce my institution to you, our Saraswati English Medium School, Mundaje. We have very well equipped building. We have and excellent teachers. The teachers are very talented and they are really working very hard for the development of our children. We have good wide ground in which our students happily play and also enjoy themselves. They also participate in different levels of competitions. To support our students' personality development, we have here karate class, dance class, music class, yoga class, and also sometimes we also teach them Bhagavad Gita. Our school schedule starts from 9:20 a.m. It continues for 20 minutes with the Kabir Doha, Bhajanas, Sanatana Ananak, Shlokas, Mankotimmana Kagga, and also news reading. Then if we come to the programs what we conduct here, first of all we celebrate the welcome day for the newly admissioned children. Then we celebrate both national and religious festivals. We celebrate national festivals with our sister institutions in our wide ground. Grandly we celebrate the national festivals. We celebrate religious festivals and also we make our children to know about the culture of our India. We grandly celebrate religious festivals such as Deepavali, Gauri Ganesha, first of all Yugadi, and Vivekananda Jayanti, and many other programs. At the end of the academic year, we celebrate Deep Pradhana program, the farewell function for our 10th standard children. We call it as Deep Pradhana. Then it is really very special in our Vivekananda institutions. I am very happy to welcome you to our school. Send your children to our school to make them very good citizens of our India. I am really proud about the children who are learning here.
Jai Shri Ram to you all. Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. It is one of the famous shlokas from Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna explains to Arjuna about the theory of karmas. He said, believe in yourself and do your karma and success will follow you automatically. Bhagavad Gita introduces our rich tradition and culture, and referring to the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita can help us to find a solution for the various problems, and reading the Bhagavad Gita help us to understand the importance of self-control and how to practice it. The inclusion of Bhagavad Gita teachings in school curriculum can offer several benefits to the students in both education and ethical. That means Bhagavad Gita gives moral and ethical education, cultural awareness and philosophical thinking, self-control, and also it manages today's high pressure academic environment. We teach Bhagavad Gita in our school to develop a well-rounded personality of the students.
ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಶಿಶು ಮಂದಿರ ಮುಂಡಾಜೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಒತ್ತಡವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪಾಠ, ಆಟ, ಅಭಿನಯ ಗೀತೆ ಮುಂತಾದ 10 ಹಲವು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಸುಂದರ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಜೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸೂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೇ ಈ ಶಿಶು ಮಂದಿರ.
Jai Shri Ram. Science is not a just subject, it is an integral part of our lives. Especially in India, the culture and tradition deeply rooted based on scientific fact. At our institution, along with the academic activity, we are also conducting some competitions which will impress the students. We are celebrating here Nutritional Week, which will aims to enhance the knowledge among the students, and also they will build interest towards the subject. Our institution is growing progressively, so this year we are introducing Smart Class, which will help to build curiosity among the students towards the subject. Everyone thinks that science is a difficult subject. Stop thinking it's impossible, start thinking I am possible.
Jai Shri Ram. At Saraswati English Medium School, Mundaje, we believe that strong communication skills are the foundation of a successful education. Programs help students to express their ideas clearly and confidently, leading to better academic performance. Effective communication builds confidence and empowering students to participate and excel in the aspects of school life. Communication is key to prepare our students for future success in higher education and beyond. It also fosters strong relationship, creating a supportive and inclusive community. So, join us at where communication skills are nurtured for lifelong success.